Very nice afternoon or good morning or good evening kung saan man kayo we have clients all over abroad. So I'm Rico Locsin. I'm a Client Acquisitions Officer for BPI Securities. And if nakakuha kayo ng email from us or baka nakita nyo pa lang yung postings namin sa social media from Facebook or I'm not sure kung IG namin nakapag-post. So we already announced that we have a new BPI trade platform, and this is going to be a navigation webinar. Yung flows natin for today is we're going to have reminders for a bit, just a few reminders before you open the new app, and then for about 40 minutes may prepared video kami on the navigation of the new webinar. We also have a Q&A session after the video, and actually, pwede na kayo mag-send in ng Q&A, or sorry, ng questions nyo sa Q&A facility sa Zoom, and then we'll answer it at the end of the video. All right. So, it's now available on Google Play and Apple App Store. So, trade seamlessly with the new, all new BPI trade. So, with our new platforms, you can now keep tabs on the market wherever you are. You can check live or real-time quotes and view market summaries and get access to BPI trade research anytime and anywhere. You can also create your own watch list of stocks that are important to you, and ma-access natin yung mga watch list to both from our BPI Trade mobile app and our web platform. And of course, as a trading app, you can now trade orders on the go and monitor your positions from your pocket. So just a few reminders before we log in. So in case you already got the email, ang first natin kailangan gawin when you download the app or go to trade.bpi.com.ph, ang username natin will be the same as we call it classic BPI trade platform, but yung password will not be accepted. Yung old password natin sa old platform. Mabibigyan kayo ng default password na after nun, you have to change. So for those example, yung mga nag-try na mag-log in na hindi pa nakakuha ng migration email, hindi pa yun mag-work. Kasi kailangan ma-migrate na kayo. And then once you set up your new account, maghihingi, may OTP yan sa mobile number nyo. So please make sure that your mobile number is updated sa database namin. So in case hindi pa kayo nakapag-update or nagbago kayo ng mobile number since account opening, please call our BPI Trade hotline or email us at bpitrade@bpi.com.ph. Also, you can nominate your new password. Pwede niyong gamitin yung luma nyo if you want, but I suggest we change our old passwords and then nominate your new trading pin. Then all set na tayo. So ayan. Take note, we're going to be using the same username on the new BPI Trade platform, but our default password will not be the same. So maybe you will be sent an email. In case hindi pa tayo nakakuha ng email, baka hindi pa tayo naisama sa migration. This is our second migration schedule. We're still going to have a few more after this, and for sure by next week magsasend na naman kami ng email for the new batch. By next week makakuha. So please always check your email addresses, and take note, once ma-migrate na tayo sa new platform, hindi na natin ma-access yung old BPI Trade platform. Another important reminder, if we have GTD orders or good till date orders and good till canceled orders, the GTC, makaka-cancel to or hindi to mapopost sa new platform. So I suggest it's either you cancel it and then repost it sa next platform. But in case makakalimutan, we'll still remind you to cancel your orders because hindi to ma-access sa new platform. All right, so we'll be moving on to the video, on the navigation video. So just a moment, I'll share the screen for that.
Welcome to the new BPI Trade website. You may access it via new.bpitrade.com. On the new site, you may get to know about BPI Trade, our services, and of course about the Philippine stock market. On the new site, you may explore the relevant items you need before you start your investing journey, such as opening an account, funding your trading account, understanding the basics of trading, and our FAQ page. You may also explore our offered products and services, which includes your online trading account, portfolio design services, dollar-denominated securities or DDS, and real estate investment trusts. To open your BPI Trade online account, hover over Start Trading and select Open a Trading Account. You will be redirected to the account opening page where you will get an overview of the account opening process. To open an account, please ready the following requirements: a valid government-issued ID, a valid taxpayer identification number or TIN, an existing BPI bank account, which is enrolled in the Express online portal. Once ready, click on Open an Account and you will be redirected to our registration page. Select I have a BPI bank account and log on to your BPI Express online account to pull your data from BPI servers. Review your application, which will automatically be downloaded. Print and sign the application and submit it to your preferred BPI branch. You may also electronically sign the application and email to BPI Trade Applications at bpi.com.ph. To access the new BPI Trade platform, hover over the login button at the upper right-hand part of the screen, and then select New BPI Trade. This will bring you to the login page, which is also accessible via trade.bpi.com.ph. For a seamless and uninterrupted trading experience, we suggest that you use the following internet browsers to access the new platform. Take note: account holders from the old BPI Trade platform will have different login credentials from the new BPI Trade. Please check your registered email addresses for your temporary nominated passwords. Please also take note that you are not allowed to simultaneously use the web platform with the mobile application. As a new security feature, every time you log into the new BPI Trade platform, you will need to input a one-time PIN or an OTP. Make sure your registered mobile number is updated, or please call the BPI Trade hotline for assistance. Let's get started. This is the default trading hall when you initially open the BPI Trade web platform. The default layout will include the following: the menu bar, a quote screen, an equities portfolio screen, an order pad, and an order book screen. You are free to customize your trading hall to fit your trading needs. You may save up to 5 layouts, which you may switch through at any time. This is the menu bar for the new BPI Trade web platform. Here, you may find the command icons for all the core functionalities of the new trading platform. You will find the quotes icon, watch list, stock info, chart, buy and sell, news, analysis, market, order book, statements, portfolio, settings, calculator, services, and logging out. Just below the menu bar, you will find the Market Summary bar. The Market Summary displays the following: current index price, volume traded, value turnover, total number of trades, gainers, losers, unchanged, untraded, net foreign flow, and market status. The code screen is already activated by default when you open the new BPI Trade web platform, but you may access it by clicking on the quotes icon. You are currently looking at the grid view, but may change it to card view by clicking this icon. You may filter through all Philippine listed stocks, suspended stocks, IPO, or newly listed shares, sub-indices, or just the main PSCI. Sorting of shares may be done through volume, value traded, name, performance, and prices. Viewing of odd lot quotes may be done via this drop-down box. To purchase odd lot shares, you need to activate the odd lot board quote screen. Take note that odd lot quotes should have a capital O at the end of the ticker symbol. You may also have additional columns to your quote screen, which may include the data that are relevant to you. To toggle through the quotes, click on the arrow icons found here. To create, view, or manage existing watch list, click on the watch list icon. Let's create a watch list. Make sure to give it a name. Click on the watch list icon again to view the watch list. To add shares onto your watch list, you may type it in the Add Stock search bar. You may also drag shares from the quote screen onto your watch list. You may also customize the data shown on your watch list via this icon. Watch lists created via the web platform or mobile platform are accessible to both platforms. The stock info icon is where you will find relevant stock data such as the tracker, market depth, historical prices, and the board lot table guide. The market depth contains the ask and bid price information from both sellers and buyers, which is currently queued in the market. This is shown in levels showing price and quantity. The stock info and tracker contains all information pertaining to a particular equity security together with a historical chart. Under the Info tab, users can view detailed information of the selected stock. On the Time and Sales tab, users can view the time and quantity of stocks being sold. On the Business Done tab, users can view all the details of business done on the selected security, including traded price, the details of buy volume, sell volume, by percentage bar, and the total value of transactions. On the Price Distribution tab, users can view the graphical information of volume mapped against the buy and sell price of the selected stock. Green colored bar denotes buy, and red colored bar denotes sell. Historical data displays historical quotes by date with the open, high, low, and closing prices, as well as volume traded of the selected stock. Users can set data parameters from 1 minute to day to a maximum of 500 records. The board lot table guide shows the minimum number of shares one can purchase or sell at a specific price range, so the minimum amount needed to invest in stocks varies and will depend on the market price of the security as well as its corresponding board lot. The chart icon will open either the intraday chart or the analysis chart of a given stock. The intraday chart window displays the graphical movement of a stock during the day. Users can view the details of trading time, price, and volume movement. The analysis chart, on the other hand, displays more chart details and enables chart drawing functions. Users can perform technical charting analysis using various charting tools and indicators for pattern analysis and predictions. The buy or sell icons will activate the order pad found at the lower right portion of the default trading hall. Buy orders are indicated with the green order pad, while sell orders are shown with a red order pad screen. In your order pad, you will see the following details: the trading limit, the account number, which can be changed if you have multiple accounts, the stock you wish to transact, the action type, which is either buy or sell, the order type, by default is a limit order, the quantity or volume, the trading price, and the validity of your trade, which could be a day order, fill and kill, good till cancelled, and good till date. If you switch to a full view, you will find the Disclose tab for iceberg orders. Don't forget to input your 6-digit trading PIN. When you send out a buy or sell order, you will prompt an order confirmation message. Select OK to proceed, or press reset to cancel or redo. The order book is where users may review all pending orders, as well as historical orders. The Equities Order Book displays information pertaining to all the order instructions performed during the day. Users can choose to view all accounts if you're handling multiple accounts, or filter the status list according to required trading account and other selection criteria. To view the order details, which displays all information pertaining to the order instructions, select the order from your order book, right-click, and select Order Detail. The Equities Order History displays the previous order information performed by a trading account while the equities order log function displays all the pending release orders created waiting for further action. To revise an order, head on to the order book page. Select the intended order to be revised, then right-click and select Revise. This will open the corresponding order pad on the related transaction. Amend the applicable price or quantity and then select Revise. Don't forget your trading pin. A revised confirmation alert will be prompted for user acknowledgement. In the dialog box of the order pad, a revised order submitted message should appear, and head on to the order book to check if the revision was accepted. To cancel an order, provided that it is not yet matched or only partially matched, head on to the order book page and then select the intended order to be cancelled. This will open the corresponding order pad on the related transaction. Input your trading pin and select Cancel. A Cancel Order Submitted message should appear. Head on to the order book to check if the cancellation was accepted. The news icon is where you will find all of BPI Trade's research reports and daily notes. You will also find a link here to access PSE Edge to view all corporate disclosures. To access BPI Trade's research or daily notes, select Research from the news icon. Here, you may access materials via keyword search, date range, and categories. This is a sample research report from BPI Trade. Under PSE Edge, it will directly send you to the local bourse's disclosure website. Analysis is where you may access foreign flows data on a specific stock, as well as broker activities. Upon clicking Foreign Flows, you will need to specify a date range. Foreign flows will show the daily total buy volume, total sell volume, total buy value, total sell value, percentages, and net trade transactions of a certain stock. Under Broker Info, users can track broker rankings, broker activities, which displays the top stocks bought and sold by a certain trading participant. And the top buyers and sellers of a certain stock. To access your current equity holdings or review your realized gains or losses, click on the portfolio icon. The equities portfolio is where you can view all the stocks you currently hold in your trading account. It will show the following details of your shareholdings: the stock code and symbol, the current quantity held, the average price of your shares, the current market price, the prevailing market value, and the unrealized gain or loss in absolute value or percentage. You may also export your current equity holdings into Excel. For the equities realized gain or loss portfolio, this feature allows you to review your historical positions for that specific account. It will also record the corresponding gain or loss after closing the position. Statements is where you may access the statement of account and your confirmation advices. access your statement of accounts and trade confirmation advices via the Statements icon. Under the Statement of Accounts tab, you may sort through your annual or monthly statements. The Purchase and Sale Daily Invoice, on the other hand, allows you to search confirmation advices for a specific date range. The Market icon gives you the access to the market and indices summary, scoreboard, and the ticker. The Market Summary screen displays market information about the market's intraday index chart and intraday trading pie chart. Indicators of market summary will also be displayed here, such as the current index price, volume traded, value traded, total number of trades, gainers, losers, unchanged and untraded shares, and net foreign flow. The Indices screen displays information about the movement and intraday chart of the PSEI and all PSE sub-indices. Information displayed includes data of time and sales for the selected indices. The Market Scoreboard screen displays information about the market indices performance with an explanatory pie chart. The ticker will activate the ticker tape. On the ticker tape, you can filter shares displayed to only those within the user's personalized watch list, within a certain trade volume, and within a certain trade value. You can also customize the direction from right to left to right. Do a multi-row ticker and pause the ticker tape. The Settings icon houses all you need to customize your trading experience. The Layout tab is where you can manage the screen layout and select from the default split screen modes depending on your preference. The User Interface tab allows you to select the theme for your window background, if it will be light or dark mode. You can also change to trade via units or via lots, such as, for example, one lot of Globe shares is equivalent to 5 shares or 5 units. You may also customize if you would like to have alternate row shadings. Under the Font tab, you may change font size, font type, and font colors. For the Trade tab, you can select the default trading account and sequence the order in trading accounts for easy viewing. Lastly, the Hotkeys tab is where you can enable or disable the hotkeys function and where you can map out keyboard buttons to specific trading tools or functionalities. The Calculator icon will open the Calculator tool, which will help you compute the break-even, profit or loss sell price depending on the data you input. Just enter the value of the selected fields and the system will compute it for you. The services icon is where you will find the e-withdraw function. It is through this page where you can view funds available to withdraw and also send in a request for withdrawal. You may also view your withdrawal history to keep track of your fund movement. Account management requests such as changing a password, trading PIN, or resetting your trading PIN can be done via the My Accounts tab. Make sure to keep your registered mobile number updated, as we will be sending one-time PINs for these functions. Welcome to the new BPI Trade mobile app. Just like on the web platform, every time you log into the app, you will need to input a one-time PIN or an OTP. Make sure that your registered number is updated, or please call the BPI Trade hotline for assistance. This is the main dashboard of the mobile app. Displayed at the top portion will be your account name, and just below it will be the live chart of the PSEI. Tapping on the different data periods will change the chart data. You can also minimize chart details by tapping this icon. You may also pinch the panel to zoom in or out of the chart. Following the index chart, you'll see a snapshot of your portfolio, which will display the total market value, unrealized gain or loss, your trading limit, and your gross investment. Just below this is your personalized watch lists. Tap on the down arrow to view your created watch lists. Tapping on the name of the stock will bring up the stock info screen. To access the core functionalities of the new BPI Trade mobile app, head on to the menu bar at the bottom part of your screen. Your menu bar hosts the main functionalities of the trading app. The home icon will bring you to your home page, and in this case is the main dashboard. The quote icon will bring you to the quote screen, which displays all the listed stocks on the PSE. The order book icon will display the lists of orders you made for the day or historically. And lastly, the portfolio icon will display the collection of stocks you've purchased over time. To view real-time stock data, let's head on to the quote screen. This drop-down menu will allow you to sort assets via volume, gainers, losers, name, or prices. To search for a specific stock, tap on this icon. Stocks are displayed between list and heat map display. Toggle through both displays by tapping this icon. You may filter the quote list further when you tap this icon. To view odd lot shares, you may filter it through here. Take note that when you wish to transact odd lot shares, you'd have to pass through the odd lot quote screen. Odd lot shares should have a capital O at the end of the ticker. Tapping on the stock name will bring you to the stock info screen. Tapping on the intraday chart drops down the trade data. And lastly, tapping on the change icon will toggle between absolute and percentage value. To purchase or sell shares, tap on the floating trade icon at the bottom right. This will open the order pad search screen. Search for the stock you wish to transact. And once you've selected the stock you wish to buy or sell, this will open the order pad. On the order pad, you'll see the market depth, which you can also slide to view the time and sales and business done. Below the panel, you can see the account you are trading for, as well as your trading limit. Make sure to select the validity of your order, which can be a day order, fill and kill, good till cancelled, or good till date. Don't forget to input the price and quantity you wish to transact. You may make this an iceberg order in the disclosed bar. Take note that iceberg orders should disclose at least 10% of the total quantity you wish to transact. Select buy or sell, and then review your order summary and your order charges. Don't forget to input your 6-digit trading PIN. To monitor order postings, head on to the order book. Here is a list of order statuses you may encounter. Tapping on the order will bring up the order details screen. Here, you are able to see a summary of the order and the system remarks. At the bottom, you may copy the order to speed up for another order submission in the order pad screen. In the History tab, you may search for orders in a particular date range. Here, you may review all your historical orders sent. To revise an order, select the order you wish to amend. At the bottom, you'll see a Revise Cancel button. Input the necessary amendments to the order. Select Revise, Review, and input your 6-digit trading PIN. Review it in the order book. Now to cancel an order, select on the order you wish to cancel and select Revise Cancel. Click on Cancel and input your trading PIN. Head on to the order book to confirm cancellation. Click on the portfolio icon to view the collection of stocks purchased over time. It is divided by unrealized and realized portfolio. This panel displays the floating value or the total market value of your account. Below, you will see the assets in your portfolio, which includes the quantity held, market price, and the unrealized gain or loss. Tapping on the name of the asset will bring up the portfolio details screen. In the Realize tab, the panel displays the realized value of gain or loss of your historical portfolio. You can use this as a trading diary of your historical positions so that it may guide you on your future trades. To access your watch lists, open the slide-out menu and select Watch List. Tap on the plus icon to add a new watch list. Give it a name and confirm it. Tap on the watch list you just created to start populating it. Tap on the plus icon and select the stock you wish to include into this watch list. To remove a stock from a particular watch list, hold and slide it to the left and select the Delete bin. You may also delete a whole watch list by holding and sliding it to the left as well. Then select the Delete bin. BPI Trade's research reports are also accessible via the BPI Trade mobile app. Access research reports by opening the slide-out menu and select Research. Here, you can find a list of all our current research reports. You may filter reports via the filter icon, where you can search for a particular stock tagged by our analysts. To view benchmarks associated with the PSE, head on to the Indices page via the slide-out menu. Here you can see the broader all shares index, the PSEI, or the sector indices. Access the market summary via the slide-out menu as well. The market summary will give you access to the chart of the main index, the PSEI. It will also have an index overview, which displays the total volume, value, and number of trades for the day, as well as the index breadth. Here are a few things you may wish to adjust before you start trading. To open your app settings, access it via the slide-out menu and select Settings. Under the View Preferences panel, select the code or symbol setting and then select Code as your preference. The symbol setting will show the stock's full name, while the code will show the ticker symbol. Next, just below it, you will find the View Quantity format. You can choose either as units or as lots. Select units for your quantity. Selecting lots when you order will mean that you will only send orders as a lot. For example, one lot of Globe shares is equivalent to 5 units or 5 shares. Lastly, under the Application panel, this is where you can customize your home screen depending on what you want to see right away. Currently, it is set to Dashboard. You have the choice to set it as a watch list or market summary. Account management requests such as changing a password, trading PIN, or resetting your trading PIN can be done via the app. Head on to your settings page and go down to the Accounts panel. Make sure to keep your registered number updated, as we will be sending one-time PINs for these functions.
All right. Thank you very much for those that are still with us right now. So if my questions, we're going through the Q&A box right now. May mga questions na din ata na sagot yung yung teammate ko dito sa direct na sa mga chats. So okay, we'll go through the questions. A question on stop loss. Stop loss on the current platform, wala pa. Pero I'm confident in saying na it is under, nasa pipeline na siya na offered service in the next few updates. But sa current update, nirelease namin, wala pa yung stop loss order. From Pearl, do I have to wait for your email before I can access? Yes, yes po. You have to, though the webinar is open to all BPI trade clients, pero naka-batching kasi kami, from our back office sila nagde-determine sino mga batching for migration. So kung hindi pa kayo nakakuha ng email, hindi niyo pa ma-access 'yon. So better na to take note sa emails natin na okay, na nandun na. Nandun na din yung instructions for our password na makukuha natin na manonominate. My username in the old BPI Trade platform is invalid in the new BPI Trade. How can I retrieve my account in order to use the new BPI Trade? Miss Jonalyn, likely kung invalid pa yung username niyo doon sa sorry, my username in the old BPI Trade platform is invalid. Okay, tama. So if yung username nyo is invalid pa sa new platform or sa new app, meaning nun hindi pa po kayo na migrate. So just like earlier na discuss na, please wait for the email. This won't take so long. Tuloy-tuloy eh. By next week may bagong may new batch na naman kami na magi-email kami na mamamigrate na sila. At palaki yung chunk ng mga clients na mamamigrate. So hopefully nandun na kayo sa next batch. Sir JJ or JJ from client, don't you think asking for an OTP every time the platform auto logs out is too inconvenient? Sir, it's actually the OTP is for security reasons. Ayun yung hiningi sa amin. The security was to mga requirements si PSE na moving forward. Alam ko dati wala pa. But recently, yun yung mga na-require due to sa mga phishing. So even like sa mga banking apps, sobrang na-require na siya ngayon. Lalo na kung may mga bago kayong updates. So for now, yes, kailangan talaga ng OTP. To migrate, you need to download again a new BPI Trade app. Sir Wilfredo, lahat ng clients mamamigrate. And then you can download the BPI Trade app kung Android ka man or what do you call this, or Apple device. You can download it na pag nakukuha niyo na yung email. So you don't need to re-register, you don't need to reapply. As long as client ka, pupunta tayo doon, sir. Yeah. Okay. Pwede ba yan sa desktop? Sir Noel, if yung tanong mo if my desktop app, wala tayong specific app like software. Pero if you mean mo yung web browser, yes. Accessible yung new platform sa web browser. Sir Clint, yes, nagtatanong siya about bakit new.bpi trade or trade.bpi. Okay. Ang new.bpitrade.com is our institutional site. So anything information-based, anything account opening-based, or announcements from us, makikita niyo yan sa new.bpitrade.com. Pero if you want to, ayaw niyo dumaan doon. Di ba mayroon doon na click login, new BPI Trade. Kung ayaw niyo lumusot doon, pwede niyo na madirect sa browser niyo, trade.bpi.com. Can you please add an option to choose how to receive the OTP between SMS and email for those who are frequently normally in that spot area but with Wi-Fi access? Sir Arthur, currently, you understand that it's via SMS lang, but we are we are also, nasa pipeline din namin yung new authentication na hindi lang via SMS moving forward. So mangyayari dyan, mobile key. So if mas as long as may wifi kayo or may internet kayo, kahit wala kayong cellphone signal, okay lang yun. So makaka-trade kayo. But for now, sa new version, it's via SMS. But moving forward, we will be updating the OTP options na mas dadamihin. Sir DJ, ang tanong niya kasi ni Sir DJ is that open an account a few weeks ago but hindi yan na nagagamit, and we'll just wait for the migration to be finished so that he can log in sa BPI Trade without activating the old account. Nor hindi din na fund yung old account. No repercussions or hidden fees. Wala naman hidden fees for BPI Trade, sir. But if na-discuss siya account opening process nyo na yung minimum balance of 500 pesos, that's actually for your settlement account. You will be keeping your settlement account with yun yung BPI Direct Save Up product if na-discuss yan sa account opening process mo. So yun yung maintaining balance. It's not with BPI Trade yung maintaining balance, but for the settlement account ng bank na yun. So I suggest, kahit sa 500, I believe sa 500 yung maintaining balance, kahit yun ang i-fund lang natin, okay na yun. Wala namang hidden fees yun. Amiel, I haven't received any details about the migration. Ayun, we're doing batching right now. So sa second batch na to right now na nakukuha. So please wait for your email para we will be emailing next week another batch. Medyo mas malaki-laki yung batch na to. So hopefully makakapasok na tayo sa batch na yon. Christine Garcia, will an international mobile number, in my case, a UK number starting with code +44, be accepted? Yes. Hindi kailangan Philippine number, pwede international number for our OTPs. As long as na-update nyo po sa accounts nyo with us, yung registered mobile number nyo. Okay, wala, no issue sa amin yung international number. Sir John, I'm happy with the old website. What's the consequence if I don't migrate? Sir, moving forward, mamumove talaga yung service namin through the new app and through the new site. So, madidecommission yung old site because ibang provider din yan, and yung contract namin hindi naman nag-cut na, pero eventually hindi na namin itutuloy doon kasi medyo outdated na din siya. So what I suggest, sir, if definitely mas tricky yung new platform, and I suggest give our app a try, sir. Mas ano siya, mas user friendly for me yung app. And then in case kailangan mo na, mas comfortable ka na, you need more data, you need to check more items, pwede mo na magamit yung desktop. Kasi medyo kung baguhan pa, kahit ano ako na first time ko nag-testing ng desktop, siguro magto 2 years na from now. 2 years ago nung nagte-testing kami. Medyo ano siya, tricky, but the app has always been user-friendly. So kahit ako, mas gusto ko, sir, yung app ginagamit. Sir Jovito, my question is that the button for short and long is already included on this new platform. Sir, wala pa kaming short selling if that's what you're... So I guessing unless short, just sell your position. Nandun naman yun, sir, sa may buy and sell na agad-agad. But if you're saying, ang tanong kasi is the button for short and long. So short, sell position, long, buy position. Yun meron tayong direct buttons doon. But if you're saying short trading, wala pa tayo nun, sir. Hindi pa namin na provide yung service na yan, BPI Securities. Kasi may ano tayo. Kailangan kasi makakaborrow tayo ng shares. So not all shares kasi available agad-agad. May user tayo, may client na nagtatanong about as a Huawei user, hindi magagamit yung mobile platform. For now, wala pa kami sa Huawei store. But in case you can still use the BPI Trade platform on your PC and web version. So do you have any videos for web PC users? I guess so, baka hindi nyo naabutan yung web video. Meron kanina for web and PC users po. So for sure nasa namin yan, nasa new.bpitrade.com. We'll be posting the videos if hindi na-miss nyo kanina. But also we'll be having additional webinars. Technically it's gonna be the same. May Q&A sa dulo. So if you missed it today, you can still catch it the next time. When will it be available to general users? I just wait na lang po for the... Actually, it's available na po sa public pero naka-batching lang. But we're doing it in multiple batches para hindi sabay-sabay papasok sa system yung migration. So hopefully by next week baka makukuha na po kayo ng ng new ng email for the migration. Too complex. Can we all discontinue to use the old platform, Sir Thomas? Sir, I suggest for now, sir, we are really moving forward na to decommission the old platform, but I suggest I really encourage those sa mga yung older BPI trade users na to try out the app versus the desktop kasi mas user friendly, even versus the older platform, mas user friendly pa rin, sir, si mobile app, may it be Android or iOS. The trading pin is a new feature. How can you get it? Sir Wilfredo, yung trading pin will be set pag na-migrate kayo. So sa email nyo, nandun na yung trading pin. Kasi dati, nilalagay dyan, password nyo ulit eh. So kailangan sa mga risk assessment namin, kailangan magkaiba yung trading pin at yung password in case lang ma-hack tapos nakuha pa yung phone nyo for OTP. So kung ang trading pin mo, yun yung last line of defense mo na hindi matuloy yung trade. First time trader, and yun yung if my account is already migrated to the new platform, Miss Maria, you will get an email, so please check your registered emails with us kasi kami. You'll be getting the instructions there. Sir Marco Hoson, sir, wala kaming, for now, BPI Trade doesn't offer short selling. So si PSE, we understand, has that. But for BPI Trade, hindi pa namin ma-offer yung service because ang daming needs, especially sa borrowing of shares. So we have suggested our clients na maybe if may mga brokers na kaya maka-offer niyan for short selling, to take a look into that. But for now, BPI Trade is not offering short selling service. Are you gonna try let the users try the platform? Sir, sorry, wala kaming test accounts for now for the new platform. So hindi siya hindi wala kaming test accounts for it na pwede niyong ma-test bago kayo ma-transfer. To be clear, we haven't announced na we will be doing short trading. The PSE again has announced that na-allow na nila, but hindi pa kasi yung borrowing of shares is yung medyo tricky. Kasi hindi naman kahit si client makaka-short sell pero wala namang shares madedeliver yung broker. Wala din madedeliver for that. Can you explain fill and kill an iceberg? Fill and kill po, example. If you have an order for 100,000 shares, for example, for a certain stock, pag nag-fill and kill order po kayo, example, ang na-done lang is 50,000 the moment you send it. Yung remaining 50,000 na yon of the 100,000, di ba, maku-queue yan sa market. If fill and kill order yon, hindi na i-queue ng system. So, bibilhin niya yung 50,000 tapos cancel the order. Yun po yung fill and kill. Pag sa iceberg naman, example, you have a big buy order or a big sell order of 1 million shares. Pero ayaw mo makita ng market na may ganun kalaking order because it can move the price higher or lower. So you can place in an iceberg order which means hindi yung buong value makikita ng market. So, ang minimum ni PSE is to show is 10%. So, if 1 million yan, you have to show at least 100,000. And then, kung maubos yung 100,000, mag-automatic replenish yan hanggang ma-fill yung buong order mo. Ganun po yung iceberg order. Expected target for BPI trade migration. For now po, wala. Hindi pa namin masabi yung expected target date po. Are you gonna have another session to explain the order entry options in detail? Sir Noel or Miss Noeline, I'm not sure. You can always call us po if may questions kasi yung customer relations team namin is very prepared to answer sa order details po. Kung ano yung mga specifics doon. But sa order details, makikita naman dyan, volume, price, it's a day order. So by default, what type of order? Fill and kill, GTC, good till date. And then kung iceberg order, nandun din sa order details yung trading pin. If I manage the account of different people, can I add all? As Miss Eleanor, technically, you can have multiple accounts as long as nandun din yung name mo. Pero if example, you have a friend mo, siya nag-open ng account, hindi mo yan ma-add sa isang master account. Dapat kasi nandun para lahat pangalan mo sa mga accounts na pwede mo ma-trade from our end. If ikaw po may usapan sa client, sa friend mo or something, hindi po kami pwedeng magsabi na, pwede mag-access sa ibang tao. Okay. Last 3 questions, okay? OTP is only for login. OTP is used for login. It's a desktop. OTP is used for mga biometrics. Kung example, gusto ko i-set up yung Face ID ko or fingerprint ID, kailangan ng OTP. OTP is needed din for change password, change PIN, or change password, change trading PIN, or forgot trading PIN. So anything related to account security, kailangan yung OTP. Can we view the replay of the video shown earlier? Definitely, it will be posted on new.bpitrade.com. And ayun. When all of us migrated a month, Sir Mike, hindi ko masabi yung timeline because padagdag eh. So hopefully hindi tayo tatagal more than a month pa. But that's really the target. Okay? Hi. So thank you very much. If we have any other questions, feel free to send them in sa either sa Facebook namin or sa email namin. And we will be answering them with the help of our customer relations team. So again, this accessible through the QR codes, yung mga direct to the App Store. And if hindi pa yung nakakuha ng email or hindi pa yung makakalog in, meaning na hindi pa nakaka-migrate. So thank you very much for joining me today and see you again till next.